Kanabis Selfi TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD. So as you see right here, I am at the Coral Gardens Community Market right here live under this beautiful Jamaican sun, where I'm looking at people with different products. So I am right here sitting with the one and only Mom right here. And what is the name of your booth, Mom?
We are senior citizens from Faith Temple Church, and we're called Faith Senior Citizen Club. We do things like cushions. We meet on a Thursday for 2 hours, and we make cushions. We do a lot of craft work.
Wow!
So all what you can see here is things that we have made ourselves. You know, the senior citizens.
Wow.
So what we do really, we try to pass time. You know, this is like our latter years.
Wow.
So we get together for 2 hours each week, and we talk and we laugh and we do things with our hands. Yes, and so you know, we decided today to come and rent this stall to see if we could sell some of our products.
Wow.
So far we're doing extremely well. But had we had more pedestrians, you know, it would have been much better. But it's good. It's good. It's good. This is the first one from what I understand. So I think next year it should be better.
Wow. All right, so can you tell me, what are you offering today?
Today we're offering cushions. We're offering the Jamaican rag dolls. We're doing things like beach bags.
Wow.
We're doing things like placemats and so forth. Yes, we've got quite a wide collection.
Wow. So how long now this business is it existent?
Well, Faith Senior Citizen Club has been going on for quite a number of years. But since I came to Jamaica in 2015, I have just taken over as president of the Faith Senior Citizen from last November.
Wow.
And so far, I think I'm doing very well. And the ladies and I, we get on very well together. And we just don't do craft. We travel. We go out. We go out of our community, and we are also a part of the Jamaica senior citizen. So it's like we are under their umbrella as well. So whatever we do, really say we're going to the beach or so, we have to let them know, because really we are like their property. They're sort of responsible for us.
So how many branches do you have?
Well, in Montego Bay, I think there are 14 parishes. And in each parishes there are numerous senior citizens club. I cannot tell you exactly how much is in St. James, but I know that there's quite a number of us there, because you know, once a month we have a president meeting, and all the presidents would attend to the meeting, and there's quite a lot of people there, so there must be quite a few clubs here in Montego Bay. Well, not Montego Bay, St. James. I am enjoying it.
All right, so what do you expect for the remainder of the day right here?
Well, really, I'm hoping that more people will come, because you know that some people go out in the daytime with their children, and I do expect that they will come later on in the afternoon, and I'm hoping that we're going to get shipped some of these cushions.
Wow. Beautiful cushions. Wow.
Thank you.
So how many products do you have apart from cushions?
We have things like school uniforms, which have been donated to the club. We have things like face flannel, Jamaican call it face rag. We have things like t-shirts. We have jeans. And most of these things were donated by the senior citizens member. But so far we're doing very well. You know, I'm trying to do as much as I can, so that it's not boring. You know, it makes their life happy.
All right. So now you hear from the one and only Mom from
Faith Senior Citizen Club. We are from Faith Temple Church in Princess Street, Montego Bay. And I would like to add to this that my Bishop Conrad Pitkin.
Yeah.
He's now the Costas of Montego Bay.
Whoa.
And we are so proud of him.
Yeah.
Not of Montego Bay. The thing is, I'm so British,
Yeah.
but I'm not really British. I am a Jamaican.
Yeah.
When I say Montego Bay, I meant to say St. James.
St. James.
Parish of St. James.
Right.
That's true.
All right.
Selfie TV, I think you're doing great. You're doing a great job. You're taking us all over the island. Hey, where are you today? Today you're in Montego Bay, you're in Coral Gardens, Community Market, and I'm hope to see you elsewhere. You are bringing the community together. Thank you, Mr. Kanabis.
Selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. You know what I mean? So as you see right here for the whole community, it's a beautiful day right here. Stay tuned for more. We are watch.
Selfie TV.
Alright. Kanabis Selfi TV. We are watch.